Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Fawad Raza, working with Food Security Analysis Unit that is famously known as VAM Unit of United Nations World Food Programme here in Pakistan. First of all, I would like to thank Feed the World conference team for picking up my idea and giving me a chance of presenting this idea in front of this forum. Through my presentation, I would introduce price monitoring using interactive voice response technology. I call it PMIR, which is actually monitoring food prices through a mechanism of automated phone calls to a grocer's network. Food security is a complex phenomenon, and establishment of a comprehensive food security monitoring system requires substantial resources that may fall beyond the technical and financial capability of a developing country. However, food price monitoring is amongst the most simple and cost-effective means of gathering relevant information on food accessibility. Furthermore, it may serve as an important early warning tool to help identify geographically apart inhabited areas where the food security situation seems deteriorating. Existing government-driven price monitoring system generally reports on official food prices only for the specific markets, irrespective of their food insecurity status. These prices are sometimes different from the consumer prices. It therefore becomes difficult to identify the areas with degree of food insecurity and justify their position for policymakers and donors. Owing to these limitations, the influence of conventional price monitoring system on policymaking and program design remained limited to macro-level conclusions only. With significant increase in telecommunications users across the developing world, telephones are now widely being used as a platform for data collection in complement to existing modalities. However, the conventional method of data collection using mobile phone requires a specific type of mobile phone installed with specific software, hence making it less convenient for untrained enumerators and rendering it unviable for price monitoring system through a network of grocers that are mainly illiterate. The objectives of a PMIR is to provide a simple, user-friendly, and cost-effective predictive food price monitoring mechanism that enables food security practitioners to predict food access issues across the country. IVR is a technology that allows a computer to interact with humans through use of voice and phone sets keypad tones. Interviews of general grocers and retailers based on automatic phone calls offer a simple and cost-effective way to collect prices of staple food along with their local unskilled daily wage rates in their area. This may prove to be an effective source to complement the information gaps with a higher update frequency. Network of grocers can call or be called through an automatic system to ask questions about the consumer prices of selected food items. These questions can be responded by pressing the numerical responses on the phone keypad or even just replying verbally. These responses are then fed into a price monitoring database which is accessible to food security practitioners and other relevant stakeholders. At the end of the interview, the responder may receive a few minutes worth airtime credit voucher to provide a sort of motivation for the grocers for providing the information. The development of a PMIR will adhere to the following steps. Establishment of an initial network of volunteer grocer at country level, say initially one grocer per district. This network can be expanded, particularly in food insecure areas, for better understanding of situation. Then setting up of a PMIR server machine containing the price database and allied softwares for managing the calling record of grocers accessing the server through a toll-free number. Open source technology offer some very good solutions like ODK voice, aggregate, and Postgres databases, which provides a complete solution for such application. The third step could be designing of an interactive and self-explanatory set of audio questions for the grocers, preferably in local language for the ease of illiterate responders. And finally, formulating a reporting mechanism for generating automated analysis regarding various elements of food security of the area of interest. PMIR provides a systematic evidence base on consumer prices of selected food items and prevailing unscaled wage rates for programming at micro level in remote and inaccessible areas without incurring any logistics cost. The good thing about this technology is its simplicity, as it doesn't require any particular handset or any particular software installed on the responder side. PMIR resembling mechanism can be used for similar other imaginative control tie-ins or crowdsourcing applications. Thank you very much.